Hey tech enthusiasts, welcome back to Tech Explorer's channel, where we dive into the latest and greatest in technology. Today we have something truly special, new tech gadgets to share with you. Introducing the Owlet One RS3, the e-bike that's transforming urban commuting with cutting-edge design and next-level technology. Built and perfected in California, the Owlet One RS3 stands out with its unique geometry and world-first adjustable wheelbase. Whether you crave the smooth, laid-back ride of a cruiser or the thrill of a sporty, agile bike, this e-bike delivers both experiences in one sleek package. With a 6-degree rake angle and enhanced trail, the Owlet One RS3 offers unmatched stability and maneuverability, blending the adrenaline of a sports bike with the safety of a bicycle. Perfect for navigating the city streets with confidence. At its heart, a 750-watt continuous motor capable of reaching 3,000-watt peak power pumps out 180 nanometers of torque, propelling you to speeds of up to 30 miles per hour. With 3 riding modes, 15 miles per hour, 20 miles per hour, and 30 miles per hour, you can easily comply with local regulations while enjoying a powerful ride. The 1,500 watt-hour removable battery, housed in a fire-safe aluminum body, keeps you going for 40 to 60 miles on a single charge, perfect for those long city commutes. Comfort is key with a bobber-style Springer seat and a low 31-inch seat height for easy mounting. Plus, the 3.5-inch travel front fork with air damping ensures smooth handling over urban bumps. Designed for city life, the Owlet One RS3 features narrow handlebars and a compact frame that's elevator-friendly. Need to store it in your SUV? This bike partially folds in less than 60 seconds to fit most cargo areas with ease. Redefine your commute with the Owlet One RS3, where innovation meets the road. Ready to embark on the ultimate underwater adventure? Meet the Sublue Vapor, the groundbreaking pump jet underwater scooter that's set to transform your aquatic explorations. Like a motorcycle racing through the wilderness, the Sublue Vapor delivers an unmatched underwater experience. Whether you're gliding leisurely or racing through the depths, this compact marvel maintains powerful, consistent thrust, up to an astonishing 21 kg at every speed. Customize your adventure with Sublue Vapor's adjustable speed control. Choose from 3 exhilarating speeds: 6 km per h, 8 km per h, and 10 km per h. Whether you're in the mood for a smooth glide or an adrenaline-pumping race, the Sublue Vapor lets you explore the depths at your pace, unlocking new levels of aquatic excitement. Powered by state-of-the-art ALO 2.0 technology, the Sublue Vapor's jet pump propulsor delivers an experience like no other. Equipped with a 6-blade impeller and a 12-blade rear guide vane, it translates torque into a thrilling surge of forward momentum, giving you unparalleled control and excitement. The spindle-shaped body glides effortlessly through water, while the hydrodynamic buoyancy chamber minimizes disruptions, allowing you to dive deeper and explore further. With reduced torque, you can say goodbye to hand fatigue and enjoy extended underwater adventures without feeling tired. Stay connected to your journey with Sublue Vapor's immersive LED screen, your underwater dashboard. Track battery levels, speed, bearing, water temperature, and depth with ease, keeping you fully immersed in your adventure. Get ready to dive into the future of underwater exploration with the Sublue Vapor. Looking for the perfect way to see through the night? Meet the Hawkeye i15 AI Thermal Imaging Monocular, the most cost-effective thermal imaging solution on the market. The Hawkeye i15 is a game changer, offering super resolution technology that makes every image crystal clear, even in total darkness. Imagine having the power to see through darkness, fog, glare, and smoke. This is the eye of the night you've been waiting for. But here's the best part. The Hawkeye AI15 gives you this advanced tech without breaking the bank. It's designed for users who need high-performance thermal imaging without the high price tag. Whether you're out in the wild, studying thermal radiation, or just enhancing your nighttime security, the Hawkeye AI15 has got you covered. Equipped with a powerful 256 sensor and AI super resolution technology, it delivers image quality that rivals higher-end models with a 384 sensor, all while keeping costs low. The 15mm lens offers a wider field of view and longer focal length, so you can spot targets from greater distances with incredible clarity. Worried about battery life? The Hawkeye A15's 4000 mAh rechargeable battery powers up to 10 hours of continuous use, enough to last through your entire adventure. And with 32 GB of built-in storage, you can record up to 26 hours of video, capturing every moment without worrying about space. Whether you're bird watching, exploring the rainforest, or monitoring a cityscape, the Hawkeye AI-15 has preset modes tailored for every scenario, plus with multiple color mode options like white hot, black hot, red hot, and more. You can choose how to visualize your thermal data. Need to connect to a bigger screen? The Type-C interface makes it easy, no complicated adapters needed. The Hawkeye AI-15, where advanced thermal imaging meets affordability. Explore the night like never before. Say hello to the Godox Verso, the ultimate game changer in wireless audio recording. Whether you're shooting interviews, vlogs, or documentaries, the Verso delivers an unprecedented recording experience that's both cableless and incredibly handy. What makes the Verso truly special? It's all about the built-in microphones in both the transmitter and receiver, capturing high-quality audio from everyone involved, whether it's the person in front of the camera or behind it. No need for extra equipment, just pure crystal clear sound for all your content creation needs. And when it comes to battery life, the Verso doesn't disappoint. With up to 13 hours of operation for the transmitter and a whopping 17 hours for the receiver, you can record all day long without a hitch. Plus, the Verso M2 package includes a charging case for easy recharging on the go. Perfect for those location shoots where power outlets are hard to find. Need to record in a large space or outdoors? The Verso's 650 feet transmission range ensures that your audio stays strong, clear, and uninterrupted, giving you the freedom to position your camera wherever you want while still capturing every sound you need. The Godox Verso is packed with features designed to simplify your recording process and enhance your audio quality. Denoise for clean sound, one-press mute for instant control, screen rotation for flexible setup, one-press pairing for quick connection, mono stereo mode for customizable sound volume setting for perfect audio levels. Worried about losing important audio? The Verso's got you covered with a -6 decibels safety track to prevent clipping and a micro SD card slot on the transmitter offering up to 400 hours of backup recording. You can rest easy knowing that every moment is securely captured. The Godox Verso, redefining wireless audio recording for creators who demand the best. Capture every moment, every word with unmatched clarity and ease. Say goodbye to battery charging headaches and hello to Olight Station X, the revolutionary 3-in-1 battery powerhouse that changes the game for good. Tired of dealing with tangled chargers, guessing battery types, and cluttered drawers? Station X is here to make your life easier. This world's first 3-in-1 battery charger, tester, and organizer simplifies everything, turning battery management from a chore into a breeze. It's as simple as drop, charge, and go. Just toss in your rechargeable AA or AAA batteries and let Station X handle the rest. With its automatic cascading process, it analyzes, charges, sorts, and stores your batteries, making it feel as easy as using a vending machine. Need batteries on demand? Station X has you covered with a storage capacity for up to 32 AA or 36 AAA batteries, all fully charged and ready to go whenever you need them. No waiting, no clutter, just perfectly organized power at your fingertips. And talk about speed. Station X fully charges batteries in groups of 4 in just 2 hours, twice as fast as the competition. Get a good night's sleep and wake up to a stash of fully charged batteries ready to power your day. With its smart detection algorithm, Station X takes the guesswork out of charging. It accurately analyzes battery size, type, polarity, and health, ensuring only compatible and healthy batteries are charged. Fully charged batteries are stored safely, while any bad ones are isolated. No more mix-ups. Revolutionize your battery experience with the Olight Station X, your all-in-one solution for charging, testing, and organizing. This is the future of 3D printing with the Kokoni Sota, where innovation meets imagination. Get ready to experience rapid, stable, and ultra-precise printing like never before. The Kokoni Sota isn't just any 3D printer, it's a game changer. Featuring a groundbreaking upside-down design, it secures all the moving parts at the base, giving you rock-solid stability and blazing fast speeds. Thanks to advanced AI radar detection and error compensation, the Sota delivers flawless prints every time. With a precision of less than 0.1 millimeter, your creations will exceed expectations in every detail. Want to bring your designs to life in vivid color? The Kokoni Sota can handle up to 7-color synchronous printing using materials like PLA and PETG, all in a single print. And don't worry about errors. The built-in HD camera keeps an eye on your print, comparing it to the 3D model in real time to ensure everything is perfect. Printing at high speed often comes with noise, but not with Kokoni Sota. Thanks to its intelligent motor control, it operates at a whisper-quiet level, tested at under 30 decibels, so you can focus on your creativity without distractions. Unleash your imagination with the Kokoni Sota, where speed, stability, and precision come together to turn your creative visions into reality. Get ready to explore a universe of infinite possibilities. Ready to take your grilling game to the next level? Meet the Duo Series Bypass Gas Timer, your new go-to gadget for long uninterrupted cookouts. Say goodbye to the hassle of constantly resetting your gas timer. With the Duo Series, you can simply push the side button, dial it to the bypass position, and enjoy a continuous gas supply for those epic grilling sessions. This smart gas timer isn't just convenient, it's flexible too. The BG-GTS-05 model comes equipped with 3 8-inch NPT male connectors on both the inlet and outlet, along with a flexible propane hose, making setup a breeze. No more struggling with complicated specs or accessories. With the Duo Series gas timer, you can easily connect your propane tank to your grill and focus on what really matters: cooking up those delicious meals. Need to switch things up? No problem. The Duo Series gas timer allows you to toggle effortlessly between the auto-off timer mode and bypass mode, giving you full control based on your grilling needs. Upgrade your grilling experience with the Duo Series Bypass Gas Timer. Because when it comes to great BBQ, the last thing you need to worry about is your gas supply. Keep the grill going strong and the good times rolling. Thank you for watching. If you're excited about what you saw as we are, make sure to check out the links in the description to learn more and get yours today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing tech updates. See you next time, Tech Explorers.